Hi friends, welcome to Mechanical Cat. Today I'm going to design a part. Basically one of my subscribers requested this, so let's start. First click on start, then mechanical design, then part design. Then select one plane, I'm selecting this one. Then sketch. Select circle, click this point and click outside. Then give the constant. I'll give 120. Okay. Then select this circle again and click here. Give the dimension 60. Then exit workbench, pad length I'll give you 15. Then select this surface and sketch. Select this construction line. I need another circle here. Now select this circle and this circle. Select in constants defined and tangency. Okay. Now we have to give the dimension to this circle. Select this. I will give this as 20. Exit workbench. Now pocket. For this type, select dimension and click on up to last. Okay. So this pocket is created. Now we have to use the polar array. Click on this. Select polar array. Select on instances and angular spacing and select complete ground. Instances should be 12. Reference element, select on no selection and select this surface. Okay. Oh, sorry. What happened? Let's Ctrl Z, press. Select on polar array. Complete ground. Instances should be 12. Reference element should be this surface and object should be this one. Click on OK. Yeah, we got this. We have to save this. Click on file and save as. Save as part 1. I'll select this in desktop. Save. Now click again on start. Click on mechanical design, then part design. Now select this plane, sketch this circle, click outside, dimensions, click this circle, keep the dimension as 80 millimeter. Now we have to pad this, exit workbench, pad, give the length as 2 millimeter, press enter. Now select this surface and sketch. Click on circle, give the dimension 60, enter. exit workbench, click on pad and give the length as 40. Click on enter. Now click this surface, click on sketch and circle, draw a circle with the dimension 60 millimeter. Exit workbench. Now we need another plane, so select on plane and select this plane. Reverse direction, offset distance should be 60. Press enter. Select this plane and sketch. Click on circle, draw a circle, give the dimension. I will give this as 30. Press enter. Exit workbench. Now we'll use multi-section tool. Select this multi-section solid. Now click this circle and this circle. Preview. See, this is not working. We need to draw a kite curve for this multi-section tool. So let's draw this. Select this plane and select sketch. Now we have to draw a line. Select this line and select like this. Now select this point and this line. Go to constraint defined in dialog box and click on coincidence. Okay. And now this point and this line, basically it should be this line, this point and this line, constant defined in dialog box and coincidence. Okay. Now exit workbench. Now we can go to the multi-section tool, select this curve and this curve and give. Yes, we have done this. Click on OK. Now select this surface. We have to pad this surface. Click on pad. Yes. Length should be 352. Click on 352. Click on OK. So we have made this. Now we have to save this file. Click on file and save as part 2 desktop. Save. Now click on start, mechanical design, assembly design. Click on product. Click on this icon, existing component icon, and select those files. First select the part 1, open. Now use this fix tool, fix component, and click on this surface. So this part is fixed here. Now click on this product again and existing component. Now click on part 2 and open. So this part has tried to be fit in this, but this has not been successful. Now we have to use this toolbar. This is, what is this? Manipulation toolbar. Click on this one. Okay, click on this one and drag it outside. Click on OK. Now click on this coincidence constraint, do not prompt, close. We have to select the axis, this axis. Actually axis has been selected previously, so select this one, select this surface and this surface, opposite. Okay, now update. So this part has been created. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and tap the bell icon. Thank you.